In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer funds between accounts in QuickBooks Online. First, we'll start by heading to your QuickBooks account. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the QuickBooks website. Once there, you'll see the Sign In button. Click on it to proceed. When prompted, choose QuickBooks Online from the available options. If you have multiple QuickBooks products, make sure you're selecting the correct one for your needs. Now it's time to log in. Simply type in your email address associated with your QuickBooks account and your password. Once you've entered your credentials, click Continue to access your dashboard. Be sure to have your login details handy to avoid any disruptions. After successfully signing in, you'll be directed to the QuickBooks Online interface. To initiate the fund transfer process, look towards the top left of the screen where you'll find a New button. Click on this button to bring up a drop-down menu with various options related to transactions and accounts. Once the drop-down menu appears, navigate to and select Transfer. This option allows you to move funds between accounts seamlessly without the hassle of creating manual journal entries. Selecting Transfer will open a new form where you'll enter the details of your transaction. In the form, you'll first add information about where you're transferring the funds from. Select an account from which the funds will be deducted. This could be a checking account, savings account, or any other account listed in your QuickBooks. Next, you'll specify the account to which you want to transfer the funds. Choose the appropriate account from the drop-down list. Make sure both accounts are correctly selected to ensure an accurate transaction. Now it's time to enter the amount you wish to transfer. Be precise with this number as you don't want errors that could affect your financial records. Ensure you've typed the amount correctly to avoid any discrepancies. After entering the amount, you'll need to add the date for the transfer. You can either manually input the date or choose from the calendar widget that appears, which can be helpful to ensure the date aligns with your intended transaction time frame. To add context to your transfer, fill in the memo or description field. This step is optional, but it's great for keeping detailed notes or reminders about the transaction, which can be beneficial for future reference or financial reporting. Finally, once all the details are filled in, double check to ensure everything is correct. Then click on Save and New to finalize the transaction and prepare you for any additional fund transfers you might need to perform. And that's it, you're now equipped with the knowledge to transfer funds between accounts in QuickBooks Online. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide has been helpful in streamlining your accounting tasks.